Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Joyful Jessie. If you are new here, I am Jessie. Today we are bringing you along to our very first family camping trip ever. And I am going to be sharing with you guys all this yummy food that I am making in the great outdoors for the very first time. So make sure to stick around and watch. For dinner today, while we're camping, we're gonna have some fajitas. So I'm gonna do the prep work now, bring it all ready to cook over there, and I'll be bringing my cast iron skillet and we'll be cooking it out there. So for this particular recipe, these are the ingredients that I'm going to be needing. So I'm gonna be using 2 chicken breasts, pepper, orange, red pepper. The packet that I ordered online, they didn't give me the yellow peppers, but I always have many sweet pepper. You're gonna need an onion. I'm going to be using some garlic cloves, and for this I'm going to be using a 1/4 cup of taco seasoning. You can use probably, do they sell fajita seasoning? I don't know, but I use this and this works just as fine. We're going to be needing about 1/2 cup of oil, and we are going to need also, let me grab over here my salt. We're also going to need some salt. I'd say maybe a teaspoon of salt shall suffice, but you can always adjust to your taste. So to start off, I'm going to start off by making my marinade, and that's where I'm going to put my 1/2 cup of oil, this, and my salt and my garlic, and then you're going to see I'm going to cut my vegetables. Be cooking this, as you know, outside in the wilderness when we go camping. I'm gonna be putting it in this bowl, my veggies, okay? And then I'm gonna take my marinade, I'm gonna give it another, stirring around, make sure everything that has settled in the bottom comes back up. And then I'm going to take about 1/4 of my cup, and I'm gonna take this 1/4 cup, I'm gonna drizzle it on my veggies. Let me get a little bit more. My veggies. Okay? We're gonna do a little shake and bake thing here. Shake, shake, shake your veggies, shake them all around. The rest of my marinade, I'm gonna pour it over my chicken over here. Now that that is nice and shooken up, all we're gonna have to do is make sure I take my little tongs with me. Dinner is gonna be cooked on the skillet tonight outside.
Hey friends, we are out here cooking in the great outdoors for the very first time. We need 1 for the veggies and 1 for the meat. I am making fajitas. I'm gonna start by taking my handy dandy cast iron grill. I'm gonna sit it on the grill. So I'm gonna take my meat first. Our meat has been marinating for a couple of hours now on our drive out here. So I'm gonna take this yummy delicious meat and I'm going to lay it right next to our pan that we're gonna be cooking.
That meat is pretty thin.
It's supposed to be thin because we wanted to cook evenly and thoroughly. That's why it's thin. Look at that nice grilled fire. I'm not gonna fit them all in here. You hear that nice sizzle in that cast iron pan. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. I forgot to bring the meat thermometer.
What's that weird power? Oh, that's a power line.
I can't hear nature now. I want to hear nature with this beautiful sizzling sound.
There's only one bird chirping.
Dude, I'm trying to soak it all in. I am one with nature as I cook. Alright, let's see. This one's probably ready to flip. Ooh, look at that beauty, everyone. Ooh. I mean, you would have thought I've been doing this a lifetime, right? Cooking out on the grill. the pepper. Well, if you're gonna eat it, take the whole thing. It's not gonna be too hot, honey. I'm not gonna give you something that's very hot. Oh, that one is hot. Let me get you a cool one. How about just wait till dinner? So let's talk about this grill right here. Okay? This is the first time I'm actually using it. For the 12, almost 13 years that we've actually had this grill, the one who has used it has been Sean. And it has made him survive our 2 pregnancies in which he could not eat inside the house and was forced to cook outside of the house because anything that I smelled or saw made me vomit. Not the thing to be talking about now when I'm talking about food. But the point is that this is the coolest, most versatile grill ever. It's a Lodge. And how much did you pay for it, Sean?
It's $89.
$89. And it's cast iron. And for the longest time, this is the only grill that we had till like 2 years ago when he got the blue egg and then the other gas grill. But for the longest time, this is all we had. And look at this. We're actually bringing it camping with us. And it's like a nice little mini stove. Such a versatile. Oops. Look at that. Chicken's almost done, I think. Still needs a couple minutes. But it's just beautiful. I'm cooking and grilling at the same time. Thank you for Sean, because I wouldn't know how to start a fire. Go team, go! Go team, go team! Prepare to be amazed. Are you ready to see what's in this round red ball? Ready? I didn't even buy this. This was a hand-me-down from my awesome neighbor Jane. And this thing pops like this. Ready? Ready? Ready for this? Are you? Voila! It's a bowl. That's what I'm gonna use to put my chicken and stuff in. It's plates. Not one.
Where do you get
There's
those?
6 from Jane. There's 6 of each. Small, this one, and then this is kind of like a plate thing. And then here are bigger plates. But wait, there's more. There's cups. 6 little mini cups. How is it, cameraman?
Really good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
What happens if I do this? Will I make the fire go? Yeah, I was hoping that it would go like poof, you know, some Emerald Live or something.
Yeah.
You want them to have a little bit of texture to them. So I'm gonna try out my onions because the onions is the one that I like them to be cooked the most. Oh, it was perfect. Man, I need to get used to cooking in these close quarters. I'm going to take my veggies that I already cooked, stick them in here. No, can you get me the tongs from outside, honey? Yeah, thank you.
I'm simply coming back into the camper so I can heat up my tortillas, and I'm going to be using the same cast iron pan that I used outside. I simply wash it with water and a little paper towel. I'm going to start my stove in the camper, and I'm going to spray a little bit of oil in both my Dutch oven and my cast iron pan. Like I've shared with you guys before, I simply use my Dutch oven to keep my tortillas warm until they are ready to serve. As my tortillas are cooking, I am slicing my chicken and cutting it and dicing it up and mixing it in with my veggies. And we are simply going to be serving this up with a dollop of sour cream right on the top. That's all you need for this. Your tortillas, your wonderful grilled meat with your veggies, and a dollop of sour cream, and is absolutely fantastic.
Do they taste better than when I make them at home?
Yeah, you gotta do this.
Yeah?
It's got that meaty, woody flavor.
do this, Mom.
You like it?
Yep.
Yeah, this is good.
A must try.
Now it's your turn to go ahead and give it a try. If I can do it, I know you most definitely can do it. Make sure to be on the lookout for more camping videos that I will be posting from our very first camping trip. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.